first program, and I explained the second lab program also.
Kamu doain es krim. Coba. Kamu emang kuat dingin. Ya coba.
Yes, students, am I audible?
Apa?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Um, yes, students, to execute HTML program, you can use Notepad++, or you can either use WordSpread. But a simple way to execute HTML program is with Notepad. No need any other software. In all the laptops, in all the desktop, you have this Notepad. Yes, Raman? So open the Notepad, students. Open the Notepad. Open the Notepad.
365 days of
I love learning my ABC.
Yes, students, once you open the Notepad, start typing the program. Start typing the program.
Ma'am,
Body, yes.
first program or second one, ma'am?
Actually, first and second, both the programs I have explained. Now, once again, I'm showing how to begin, because in last lab I did not show how to begin with the program, because I thought everybody knows. So that's why I just started with the program. Now I'm explaining the steps.
Okay, ma'am.
So the body tag. Yes, students, inside the body. Yes.
What you are using in the ma'am our HTML version? That what to do? What is that?
In a yes.
Yes, ma'am. It is
Those first 3 lines, ma'am.
HTML
Huh.
version is there, ma'am. 1.0
Ah.
coding.
I explained in the last in the previous class. You don't remember? I'm not getting. You want me to explain those lines?
Ma'am, without
ma'am.
putting that also we can execute, ma'am, directly by head.
Yeah,
body.
you can execute, but you make a practice of using these 3 lines in the program. Without these lines also, you can. If you just take doc type, whether you observed or not, whenever the programs I'm explaining in the class, I'm just using the doc type. In the beginning only I told, without using these 3 lines also you can execute, but you please make a habit of using these 3 lines. Why? Because in the external exam, if examiner asks you're executing XHTML program and you are not using those 3 lines, then again you may have to answer. That's why better you make a practice of using these lines.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please explain once more what is this lines?
Okay. See, students, here these are all the XHTML programs. So we are using here XML version 1.0 encoding UTF, means this is a bit value. UTF bit value. 1 minute, students. So this is a version, students, XML version 1.0. Encoding UTF-8 means this UTF-8, it represents a characters in a Unicode standard. A UTF is a background compatibility with ASCII values. It is a background compatibility with the ASCII values, and this UTF, it is preferred encoding for emails and web pages. Here we are developing web pages, no? So it is preferred to for the encoding of a web page. And here the second line is a doc type HTML. Generally what we write is we just write here doc type. We just here doc type. 1 minute. Just wait 2 minutes, students. Yes, students. This XML version. This is a version, and it is a encoding UTF. It and I was explaining this line. No, this is a doc type. Generally, what we write, if we don't specify these three lines, we just give doc type. This by this also you can execute XHTML program, but you make a Yes, students, due to power cut, I lost the connection. Yes, students, these three lines, I have some doubt in this line. So I'll explain about these three lines. I'll explain in the next lab or next class. So I'll begin with the program, students. Yes, students,
Okay, ma'am.
audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, without these three lines also you can execute XHTML program, but you make a habit of using these three lines in the program. And from here, the body tag starts. Whatever the content you want to display on the web page, we write here MCA. MCA, I want to display Department of MCA and close the HTML tag, students. This is the simple HTML program. This is a simple XHTML program. Here just a statement I am displaying. So I told you first you need to open the notepad, type the program in the notepad and create one folder to save your program. So I have created a folder web 2021. So in that folder only I'm saving all my programs, and so many programs are there. So that's why what I did, under that web 2021, I have created one more folder, that is class examples. So in that I'm storing my program. This is exp1 already I have created. exp2 dot, you are executing HTML program, so you have to give the extension, that is HTML and save the program. Now after saving, go to the folder where you have saved your program. So under web 2021 I have created class examples. There exp2 is my program name, just now I have created. So right click on the, to run the program, right click on the program name. Here you can select open with. You can open with Chrome, you can open with Firefox, you can run the program in the Internet Explorer, or you can run the program in the Chrome, Google Chrome. So generally I use Google Chrome because some HTML5, that in last class I shown you that video, no? If you execute the same program with the Internet Explorer browser, it will not support. Yes, students, understanding? So that's why generally we use Google Chrome. See what I have given, Department of MCA. What content I gave? So this is the procedure to execute the HTML program. Yes, students, this is the procedure to HTML program. In last I explained you first lab program. Anybody have doubt in the first lab program? The first lab program is very easy. I explained first lab program and second lab program.
No, ma'am.
I'll read out the question, student. Once I'll read out. See the first program. Create an XHTML page that provides information about your department. Your XHTML page must use the following tags, that is text formatting tags, horizontal rule, meta element. Meta element I have not shown students. I told I'll explain later. I told. So excluding meta element, I explained links, images, tables, and use of additional tags is encouraged. So we have used additional tags also: ordered list, unordered list, italic, bold, underline, center, row span, column span, padding, all those tags I have explained. So here what you have to do, you have to create a web page. That web page should demonstrate or explain about your department. So while developing a web page, you have to use these tags: text formatting tags, horizontal rule, links, images, and tables. Is any doubt? Now one by one, execute your program and share your screen. This is the output for your program. Today you have to execute first program and second program. Yes, students. Lesson 1, share your screen. One.
Ma'am, executing, ma'am.
Okay. 2, if 2 is ready, 2 can share the screen.
No, ma'am, executing.
Then when you will execute, okay, who is ready? They can share the screen. Okay, those who have executed, please share your screen and show me the output. And one more thing, students, I forgot to tell you, you have to maintain the lab observation. You have to maintain a lab observation. Why? Because continuous evaluation we are giving. I think in your first semester, you know that when you come to the lab, we correct your program and we give the marks for the continuous evaluation. So now every day you are not coming to college, but once you come to the college, I'm going to check your observation. If you're now due to lockdown, you cannot go to shop and you cannot buy the new book. At least in A4 sheet or in some sheets, you write the program. You maintain the observation book, students. And for the record, what I'm thinking is you can take printout, no? Program and program output printout. Which one will be better? Writing in the record or taking printout? Yes, tell me.
Taking printout, ma'am.
Okay, then you take printout for your lab record, but you have to maintain the written observation, students. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
that is mandatory. Yes, students, those who are ready, one by one, you share your screen, or still you have not executed your program, then I'll give
Yes,
you Kaushik.
Can I share, ma'am?
Yes, Rupak.
Okay.
Kaushik, if you show like that, then I'll not understand anything. You have to share your screen. Wait, Rupak, I'll stop sharing. Okay. Yes, students, those who have not executed, if you are getting any error, any doubt, if you have, you can ask me. what you're using to execute HTML program? Yes, Rupak, which tool you're using to execute HTML program?
He's using VS Code, I think.
You can use, but Notepad is easy way. Yes, very good. See how he has created the web page. Good, good. Horizontal ruler is there. Table is there. Hyperlink is there, students. What about image tag? Logo is there, no? Yes. Okay. Stop sharing. Good. Good, Rupak. Next.
I'm ready, ma'am. Benaka.
Can I share,
Share
ma'am?
your- And after that, Akrut.
I've used Notepad.
Okay, fine. You have used MarkQ also.
Yes, ma'am. Image tag,
Uh,
horizontal line, mark, table, link.
okay, good. Good. Next. Who is ready? They can share the screen. Benaka, stop sharing.
Can I share, ma'am?
Yes. Okay. Good, Akrut. But what about the border for the table? Whatever
Yes,
I
ma'am.
have shared
Okay.
in Google Classroom, you just copied and pasted. But you have to
No,
do.
ma'am. I did.
Okay,
Right there,
good.
ma'am.
But you try to include table borders also.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Next. You have to show second program also, students. Is anybody have doubt in the first program? Girls? Annaga, Chaitra, Hemalata, Divya, Lakshmi, Navya, Uma, Chandana.
No, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
No, I'm not taking attendance. I'm just asking, do you have any doubt? Chaitra, you are telling something, Chaitra.
Ma'am, I'll present it now.
Okay. Chaitra, you present. The students wait 2 minutes. Chaitra, wait 2 minutes. 2 minutes. screen, Chaitra? Chaitra.
Yes, ma'am. The link.
Yes, yes. Good, Chaitra. Good. Okay. Are you using a notepad? What you are using to execute?
Notepad.
Notepad plus plus. Okay. Next, who is ready? Share your screen.
Ma'am, can I share?
Yes. Pranita, show once again. No, show once again. Okay, who is ready next? Are you using Notepad plus plus?
Yes, ma'am. I am using Notepad++.
Okay, okay, good. Okay, next. Who is ready next?
Ma'am, can I show, ma'am?
Yeah, sure. Near already eaten noodle. Amma, near eaten la code. Yes, students, quickly. Because 58 students are there. Yes, students, I'll do one thing. In GCR, I'll create one folder, output of first lab program, so that you can execute and you can share your output screen in that GCR. Because seeing output of each student, so it will take more time. Okay, now those who are ready, those who are executed, they can share their screen and they can show the output. Rupak and yours output, both the outputs are same. Come down, come down. Come down, Annaga. Click on visit here. Click on visit here. Annaga, have you executed this program, or Rupak has executed this program? Who has executed this program? See, if you have not executed, I'll give time. Don't share the output of other students, please. If you have executed, you show your output. Annaga, this is not correct, Annaga. You're showing somebody's output. Or Rupak, you have not executed. Who has not executed and who has executed this program?
Ma'am, I just I typed the same program he has done, ma'am.
How the same both of you execute the same program, including the hyperlinks, images, everything, even the content?
No, ma'am, I typed the same program he has done, ma'am.
When you typed?
Now, ma'am. When you asked the USN, I typed, ma'am.
I think hardly you got half an hour time. I don't think half an hour also. In half an hour only we have executed that program. Okay, Annaga, I believe you. But if you have not copied, it is good only. But please don't copy.
No, ma'am. I didn't.
Okay.
Ma'am. I typed it, ma'am.
Next.
Can I share, ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, this is first program, ma'am.
Output ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Wait a second. Ma'am, this one. Image, ma'am.
I'm not able to see the output. Stop sharing and once again you share.
Okay, ma'am. Now, ma'am?
Yeah, now I can.
Yeah, ma'am. This is first program, ma'am.
Okay. Hyperlink, back. Hyperlink.
Okay, 1 second, ma'am.
ಯಾವ ಟೂಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಪ್ಪ?
Ma'am, VS Code, ma'am.
Okay.
This is sorry, ma'am. This is second one. And this is first one, ma'am.
Okay, good. Next. Students, if anybody have doubt, anybody getting any error, they can share their screen and they can show the. Yes, who is ready? please don't waste your time as well as my time, students. Those who are ready, quickly you share your screen, and those who are not executed, please tell me whether you have the reason why you have not executed. You did not get the time to execute, or you did not understand the program, or you did not. Here you cannot say you don't have software. To execute DBMS program, you need software. To execute Java program, you need software. But to execute HTML program, no need to use any software. Just Notepad and the browser. Everybody has this. Oh yeah. Yes, Lakshmi. Yes, Lakshmi, I'm waiting. Okay, Lakshmi. Okay, what about the second program? I'll call according to the USN because many students are not responding. Abhilash. Okay, good, Lakshmi. Abhilash. Are you there,
Yeah,
Abhilash?
Yeah, ma'am.
What
Ma'am,
about the
some-
program?
Just a minute, ma'am. Some computer issue. I'll show it
Akhil?
later, ma'am.
Akhil. Akhil.
Also,
Is your program? Have you executed the program?
not ma'am.
Why? What is the reason? Why you have not executed?
Typing, ma'am.
Did not understand? Or you did not get time to execute?
Now only I'm typing, that's why.
Why? Last class only I told, no, next lab you have to show me the output of first program. Why you are
Yeah, but
typing
I
now?
forgot, sorry. Okay, ma'am, I will show in 10 minutes.
Then what for you explained the program before 2 days? This first program I explained last week only. If you are not executing and showing the output just in the lab session, I'll just explain the program and I'll close the lab. Okay, Kaushik. Good. Anusha?
Ma'am, I have some issues in the laptop, ma'am, so I can't execute now. I'll do
Then
it
when
as
you
soon
will
as it gets ready. Ma'am, next
Then-
lab I'll show, ma'am.
I was asking, no, I was writing so much. I told if you have any problem, you can ask, you can tell. I have to ask one by one. Till then, nobody will respond. Yes, Kaushik? Kaushik, you are telling something. Arvind?
First program.
Okay, second program.
Yes, Alpha. I'll share my screen.
Okay, Kaushik, stop sharing. Arvind, share your screen. Arifullah?
ನಾನು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಲಾಗಿನ್
Mobile ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Kaushik, mute yourself. Arifullah, what did you say? I did not understand.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Yeah, no. But why? What about today's lab? You will not get continuous evaluation marks. Those who are not executing, those who are not showing the output in today's lab, you will not get the continuous evaluation marks. Continuous evaluation marks will be 0. If I tell about marks only, then I think you will respond for that. Yes, Arvind. Okay. Arvind, copied from somewhere?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Banu Prakash?
Ma'am, I'll upload in Google Classroom, ma'am. I got some problem in execution.
I told about the Google Classroom from the next lab onwards. What about today's lab? Bhargav?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದು ನಾನು ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋದೆ? ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ.
ರೆಹಮತುಲ್ಲಾ? ರೆಹಮತುಲ್ಲಾ ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟಾ? ಚೈತ್ರ? ಚೈತ್ರ ಅಂದಾಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ ಚೈತ್ರ, ಯು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್. ಚಂದನಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
Share your screen, Chandana.
Ma'am, I don't have laptop now, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, my father is using for some work, ma'am.
Charan?
Yes, ma'am.
Torsiappa? Or you also have any issues, any problem you have?
No, ma'am. I'm still doing. Within 5
Huh?
minutes also.
Yes?
Within 5 minutes also.
Okay.
I'm still doing, ma'am.
Diksha? Dakshayani?
Ma'am, I don't have laptop, ma'am. My sister is doing work from home, so evening I will do, ma'am.
Harshit? Students, those who have executed, those who have laptop and output is ready, they share the screen. I'm creating one assignment in GCR. By tomorrow evening, everybody should upload the output. The deadline I'm giving tomorrow evening.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I share?
Yes. Divya, what is your USN?
$24, ma'am.
Wait, let me check. Tomorrow by 5 o'clock you have to upload your output, students. Wait, Divya, I'll check. Tell your USN once again.
24, ma'am. 24, ma'am.
24. One BY MC. 1 BY 20 MC, no?
Yes, ma'am.
020. One BY 20.
024, ma'am. 24.
24. Okay, I'll check. I'll check, Divya.
Okay, ma'am.
Tomorrow I am telling, not today. Tomorrow 5 o'clock. Dakshani, not today.
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
fine? Okay.
Ma'am, 6 o'clock, ma'am, because she'll get lockout at 5:30. So, please, ma'am.
No, today evening you can do, no? Today night you can do, no?
Yeah, ma'am, I will do.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, students, I think you got the invitation. I have created an assignment, output of first program. I changed the Dakshani, I made it 6 o'clock.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, students, anybody want me to explain first program or second program? Lavanya?
Ma'am?
Are you there, Lavanya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Benika, tell.
Ma'am, can you just list out the tags for
Have you
second
executed the program, Lavanya? Tags,
Ma'am.
See, there is no specific tags. You have to implement. 1 minute, Lavanya. You have to implement inline, document, and external style sheet. Ashray.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. It's
You can use any tag. any tags, table tag, image tag, boolean, but CSS should be implemented.
Okay, ma'am.
We are
Yes, Lavanya?
distributing div tag also. Style div.
Yes. Div and span also is include students, because in such program only you can use that.
Ma'am,
Lavanya, tell me.
ma'am, I don't have power here, ma'am. I'll do it tonight, ma'am. But I typed it, ma'am, but there is no power to execute, ma'am, in laptop.
Mohit? Pooja? Mohit, is he there, Mohit? Mohit, respond, Mohit. Have you executed the program? Raman? Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you executed?
No, ma'am, I haven't executed.
Why?
I
Have you understood? Yes.
A little bit. I'm not understanding some things. And yesterday I typed and it won't execute. I'm searching for that. I'm not getting that.
That's what I'm telling you. You share your screen and I want to see what error you are getting. And I any doubt you have in the program, anything you have not understood? Is students, you have to tell me that if you have not understood. I cannot ask each and every student. Rashmi?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you executed?
No, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, my mom is using my laptop right now, ma'am. I'll post it in the classroom.
See, I think 8 days back I explained first lab program. Last Thursday, I explained first lab program. How much time you need to execute one program? I'm not asking output of second program. Second program also I explained last week only. Yes, students, before the lab only I'm explaining the program. On the day of lab, you have to execute. Yeah. On the day of lab, you have to execute the program and you have to show me the output. Yes, Divya, 1 second. I'll share the screen. You can see. Can you see? Divya?
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sheetal? Sheetal?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you executed?
Ma'am, I have to execute, ma'am. I'll show it in the next
Why,
slide.
ma'am? How much time you need to execute one program? Did I explain today or yesterday?
No, ma'am.
Then? Kishan Rao. Are
Yeah,
you
ma'am.
there?
I'm sharing
Now you
screen.
joined for the lab. Now you joined.
No, I am already there. I'm logging through my laptop now.
Okay. Sushma. Sushma, are you there, Sushma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about the output? Come down. Click there. Click on the hyperlink. How come Annaga, Rupak, and Kishan, and one more student, they are using the same hyperlink page? Okay, good, Kishan.
No, if you want, I can change it. Just changing extra.
No issue. No. Sushma, am I audible? Can you hear me? Sushma?
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing now, ma'am.
Now you're doing. Okay, Tirtha?
Ma'am, I am still doing it, ma'am.
Yakama, now why today you are doing? Last class I told no, next lab you have to execute, you have to share the screen and you have to show the output for the first program. Yes, Tirtha?
I'll do it in some time. I'll do it in some time, ma'am. It's almost over.
Sushmita, you?
Yes, ma'am.
What about the output?
I'll show, ma'am.
Okay, students, first answer your attendance. 1.
Yes, ma'am.
2.
Yes, ma'am.
3. 4.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes,
3 is
3.
present.
Okay. 4.
Yes, ma'am.
6. 7.
Present, ma'am.
8.
Yes, ma'am.
6 is absent. 8.
Yes, ma'am.
9.
Ma'am, 6 is
Present,
present,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Anusha, okay. 9.
Present, ma'am.
10.
Yes, ma'am.
11.
Yes, ma'am.
12. 12. 13.
Present, ma'am.
14.
Present, ma'am.
Rahmatullah absent. 12.
Present, ma'am.
ಯಾಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಲೋ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ರೀಸನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? 15. ಚರಣ್ 16.
Present, ma'am.
17. Diksha 18.
Present, ma'am.
19.
Present, ma'am.
20. 20. 21,
Present, ma'am.
22,
Present, ma'am.
23,
Present, ma'am.
24,
Yes, ma'am.
25,
Present, ma'am.
26.
I'm
Ma'am,
26 actually present.
Okay, 27,
Present, ma'am.
28,
Present, ma'am.
29. Manoj. Manoj absent. 30,
Yes, ma'am.
31,
Yes, ma'am.
32, 32. Navya.
Present, ma'am.
33,
Present, ma'am.
34,
present, ma'am.
35,
Yes, ma'am.
36.
Present, ma'am.
Yes, student. Meanwhile, those who are ready, they can share the screen. 37. Those who are ready, they can share the screen. 37,
Present, ma'am.
38, 39,
Present, ma'am.
40,
Yes, ma'am.
41,
Present, ma'am.
42,
Present, ma'am.
43,
Present, ma'am.
44,
Present, ma'am.
45,
Present, ma'am.
46,
Present, ma'am.
47,
Present, ma'am.
48,
Present, ma'am.
49,
Present, ma'am.
50,
Present, ma'am.
51.
Ma'am, Sri Vishnu CS present, ma'am. Mic issue.
Okay, 52,
And and
53.
Rahmatullah also, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
USN nenu Rahmatullah.
12, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, ma'am, 43 also present, ma'am. 43.
Okay. Okay. 41 is present. No, 51 is present. 52. 52. 52.
Present, ma'am.
53.
Present, ma'am.
54.
Present, ma'am.
55.
Present, ma'am.
56.
Present, ma'am.
57.
Present, ma'am.
58.
Present, ma'am.
59.
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am, USN 29 present,
Excuse me,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me,
Yeah,
ma'am.
present. Yes.
Ma'am, USN 38, ma'am, present.
17, 20, 29 absent. So 29 is present. So only 17 and 20 are absent. Yes, Sushmita. Okay. Hyperlink. Okay. Yes, students, once again, I'm asking, do you have any doubt in first lab program and second lab program? Are you understanding the lab programs and the programs which I'm explaining in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ansari. Hyperlink on torsapa. Okay. Anybody want to show? Anybody is ready? If nobody is ready, then I'll close the session.
Yes, ma'am.
One by one, one by one.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay. Output ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಖಿಲ್. Okay. Hyperlink. Okay. Trupti, share your screen.
Yes, ma'am.
What about the other labs? You are not executing and you are not showing the output in the lab time. Just Java. What about Java? Okay. Hyperlink. Students, you try to include ordered list, unordered list, row span, column span. The code already I shared in Google Classroom. Next, anybody want to show?
Yes, ma'am, I want to show.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you please admit?
Yes, yes. Yes, after Raman you can.
Ma'am, my screen is visible.
No. You stop sharing and once again you share.
Not able to share.
No. What about other? Student, can you able to see Raman's screen?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
Now it is fine.
Yes.
Ma'am, that is one problem. I'm not able to get the image. I'm
You're not able here, no? Okay. What is the file name, image name you have given? I told no. If image is present in the other drive, the program you may be saving in.
Yes, ma'am. This is the image.
It is there in the same file.
It have to be same file, ma'am.
Same folder. It is there in the same folder.
No, ma'am. It's not.
You execute in Chrome, no? Once you try in Chrome. I think you're executing in Internet Explorer.
Yes, ma'am.
Try in Chrome, you'll get.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, Lakshmi. Lakshmi, mute yourself, Akhil. Image and hyperlink. Oh, this is second program. Okay. Go to first program, Lakshmi. Okay. First program. Okay. Hyperlink. Okay. Good, Lakshmi. Next, anybody want to share? Yes, Rupak. What doubt you have? You got the output of first program?
Yes, ma'am.
Raman.
Yes, ma'am. First program, I showed you the output, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
You,
ma'am.
what doubt you have?
I have a doubt on the second program, ma'am.
What doubt you have?
Ma'am, shall I share my screen?
Yeah, share the screen. Yeah, share. Raman, have you got the output?
No, ma'am. I'm trying.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I have given here the color and CSS. Here I've given the color red for the unordered list.
Okay.
But it's not
But,
showing
once
the color.
Once
It's showing the black.
Go back. I told no, you have to mention this in a style tag before the body tag.
Style, ma'am, I've mentioned here style. Then
Correct.
Here my style.
Okay.
But here I have mentioned it red, and the ordered list is blue, and the blue part
Ordered
is
list
coming fine, but this part is not coming on. Unordered list.
It's not coming. Okay, you do one thing. You mail me this code. I'll execute once and I'll let you know.
Okay, ma'am.
Color your order list red. Okay. You mail me this code. I'll try once.
Okay.
Yes. Anybody have doubt? Any other doubt? Anybody want to show the output, students? Nobody has any doubt? No doubt, students? Shall I stop? Stop here.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Hemalata shared. Yes, Rupak, Darshan has sent some message. You can see you clear the cookies and cache. Sometimes he is correct. Sometimes though the program is correct, also you will not get the output. To clear the cookies. Just quickly, Hemalata. Just who is ready next to show the output?
Ma'am, I lost my connection, ma'am. It's not sharing.
Okay. Next, anybody is ready?
Ma'am, shall I share, ma'am?
Yeah, share.
Ma'am, is it visible, ma'am?
Yes, Varsha, share your screen, Varsha.
Ma'am, I'm not able to share, ma'am.
Why network issue, or you don't know how to share? What is the issue, Varsha?
No, ma'am, I gave share, ma'am, but it's not showing here,
Do one
ma'am.
thing, stop sharing and once again you share. Somebody else is ready to share the output? Okay, students, I'll stop here.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅದೇ ತರ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Okay, my
Yes, ma'am, mine also like that, ma'am.
maybe internet issue. So you share your output screen in Google Classroom.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, students, I'll stop here.